The fifth one is the mama's boy. His mom picks his clothes, his job, and even your birthday gifts. You'll marry her, not him. So, ever dated someone who puts his mom on a pedestal above you, your plans, and your relationship? Here's the twist. He's sweet until his mom's opinion trumps yours. Mom says you should not have moved in yet. Mom thinks you're too loud. He's a grown man stuck in a permanent toddler phase. She picks his clothes, his job, and even your wedding cake flavor. Why you should run from this type of guy? Because he's married to his mom, not to you. You'll always be number two in your own marriage, begging for scraps of attention. Love should not feel like competing with his first girlfriend. The fix? Set boundaries. If he can't cut the apron strings, cut him loose. You deserve a partner, not a mommy's co-star. Remember, a real man loves his mom, but loves you enough to stand on his own 2 feet. You're a queen, not a third wheel in his mommy's fan club.